What's up guys, this is Ali and welcome back to another unboxing video. Today in this video we have the Omen by HP. This is the new 2017 model, I believe. The specs the specs of this computer I'll leave in the description below. This is an i7 and that's what I'm going to tell you. The specs will be in the description down below. Just gonna go ahead and open this. Okay, just gonna write that down the floor, and we're going to go ahead and open it, and there we go. See, there it is. Just gonna take this piece packaging here. Got a little quick setup menu here. Set that aside, and then in there is the laptop itself here, wrapped in a piece of cloth. Just gonna set that aside for a while. Let's look at the other accessories. We've got another packaging piece over there. And then, okay, and here we've got a box of accessories. Just gonna set this box aside as well. Got a box of accessories over here. So in this, just gonna open it. We have a power cable with the 3 pins. We've also got another power cable, but with a different 3 pins, and also we've got some really cool looking stickers over here. Let me just focus that. There we go. Some cool stickers. And then back on that. So yeah, we've got 2 power cables. And then here's the power brick. The battery life of this computer on full charge is 4 hours, so that's okay. There you go. Here's the power brick. It's nice. It's got the HP logo on there. Would have liked it better if it had the Omen logo, but it does not seem to. Oh, this is really nice. Is the glossy look. Is this gonna take this off? Nope. Does not seem like it. So yeah, here it is. The power brick. Over here with the HP logo, and yeah, it's a fairly big size, but considering this is a gaming laptop, it's pretty good. Just gonna set this aside, then bring the laptop into frame over here. Let me just do that. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove the cloth covering. And voila, oh whoa, that sorry, that looks really nice. Okay, got some red accents over here, and this is black. This is really nice. We've got, says Omen over there. Omen. We've got red accents over here, and here that's the Omen logo. So let's just go ahead and open this up. Okay, so got another piece of clothing. So NVIDIA Geforce GTX Core i7. We've got the number pad over here. Got the WASD here in red. Let's go ahead and ooh, what was that sound? Let's go ahead and switch this on. Okay. Good. Keyboard over here. There's backlit. A backlit keyboard. Oh, no, actually, sorry, it's not backlit. The other version was. I did not get that version. There it is. It's already logged in at the store. So here are the speakers, I believe, on the back and the sides. And yeah, there's Windows 7. Gonna do a review on this soon, an in-depth review. This is just an overview of this. And yeah, there we go. It feels nice. Gonna be using the mouse, so doesn't really matter about the touchpad to me. And yeah, there you go. And see you guys in another unboxing. Bye.